Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'll do unboxing or review of this tripod for phone and camera. Nabili ko to sa Lazada. Hi, today I will do unboxing of the new gadget I bought. This is the ANDOERTTT tripod. I bought this from Lazada and this is just worth 1,500 pesos or like $40. This is also available from Amazon. This is my new tripod. This is about close to 6 feet when extended. This is the extension. The material is aluminum but combined with plastic. So of course you have to take care of this one. This is a maybe mid-range and usable for a new hobbyist like me. It can also carry like 3 kilograms if you have your bag. Okay. Then, ito yung free na lalagyan ng cellphone. But, I'll be using my own, yung Olanzi. Okay. Screw mo lang siya. Turn this one. Okay, ano na siya. Okay, medyo hindi pa ako gamay paglagay. So, nilalagay yung cellphone mo. Okay, so ready to shoot. And gusto mo siya i-adjust, again, okay, so ikaw yung kuha, yung susundan yung subject mo. Kung steady lang, like this. Ganyan po ka din. To the left and to the left. Nasaan siya? Remove it. Sundan mo yung subject mo. Ganda. Ito lang. Okay. Okay. So, kung ibabalik mo siya sa pwesto, so, ano siya. So, back. Lock mo ulit. Turn to, handa na. Nakalak na yan. Kailangan ka lang mahulog mo siya. Turn to your left. This is recommended for a starter like me or those starting their hobby in photography. This tripod has 4 sections and when folded is about 19" and this very lightweight. It weighs only 1 kilogram and it can carry a maximum load of 3 to 4 kilograms. It can carry a camera and this is good also for your phone. I hope you like watching this video and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Press those buttons below and that small bell to notify you of my next videos. See you around! Guys, na. Okay. Ayan, tabuhin natin.